This is Groovy Space, and today we are here in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. We got an abandoned unit. This is a drive-up one. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay, I'm going to show you what are some of the goods here. We got a mattress here, being covered by a blanket. We start from the left, and then we go. We got two bedside table. All the drawers are empty. We got a 3-piece 5-seater couch, blue fabric. Now I can't see where is the other one. It could be inside here. Could be inside here. Okay. It's a 3-piece one here. Oh yeah, no, the cushion for that one is there. And below we got a Cambrook. I think this will be a bread toaster. I don't think it's a microwave. We got a sound system here. We got a fridge. It looks like it's a 200 over liter fridge. Could be a single door, could be a double door, not sure. Now nothing is tested here. One soap, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, the staff here will return you back the $250 cash deposit. You can see the speakers, and I believe this is a small TV. We got a coffee table. It looks like a coffee table on top of the fridge. Got two more side table, white in sort of like white or beige color, with a chest of drawer. And we got 4 kitchen dining chairs, a TV, entertainment stand, another cabinet here. We got a Simpson 4.5 kilo top loader washing machine, dining table there, and I think the leg should be somewhere. I think behind is some sort of a table. It's covered in plastic. This will be the bedside, the bed head, I think. We got bed frame here in metal. We got the metal bed frame, the base. We got 3 mattresses here. And we got a TV. It's a Sony one. Sorry, looking at the model number, must be a 43 inch. I'm just guessing on it. Once again, this is in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. Once sold, you got 5 days to clear it up, please. And a reminder, there's no warranty or guarantee on any of the goods. It's in the 3 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high storage unit. Thank you for watching.